Hey guys, today is Monday, December 13th. It's only 4 days until episode 7, and I'm going to get back to the saga by watching episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. When Order 66 rolls around, I'm gonna roll the camera again so you can see my sappy reactions to it if you're at all interested. And then afterward, I'm going to give my full review of the film. So, okay, let's get back to Star Wars. Let's get back to awesome stuff. Watching Revenge of the Sith. May get heavy soon, so.
What have I done?
Oh, come on, guys. This is overkill.
Execute Order 66. It will be done well. You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them! Bring balance to the Force, not leave it in darkness! You were my brother, Anakin! I loved you!
guys, there you have it. By the ending of these movies, I'm an emotional wreck. I may have to wait until tomorrow to give my full review of episode 3, because everyone else in the house has gone to bed. We got home late. This is a 2.5-hour movie, and I had to eat dinner. What do you want me to do? Anyway. As far as the vlog goes, there's only 3 days and some change. 3 days and 12 hours until episode 7, and I'm probably going to be crying again. I'll give my review later. Until next time, this is the Clumsy Jedi signing off. Bye, guys.
So let's go to the movie. Buns, cause it's like extra butter. Join the dark side. May the force be with you.